Responsible Rosie Rabbit user, write a short moral story for kids. Once upon a time in a lush green forest, there lived a curious little rabbit named Rosie. Rosie was known for her adventurous spirit and her love for exploring new places. One sunny day, she decided to venture deeper into the forest, despite her parents' warnings to stay close to home. As Rosie hopped along the winding path, she came across a beautiful flower garden. The vibrant colors and sweet fragrance mesmerized her. She couldn't resist the temptation to pluck a few flowers and take them home. She picked the most dazzling blooms and happily hopped away, unaware of the consequences her actions would bring. Deep in the heart of the forest, Rosie encountered a wise old owl named Oliver. Sensing Rosie's troubled look, Oliver asked her what was wrong. Rosie confessed her actions, sharing how she was drawn to the beauty of the flowers but now felt guilty. Oliver looked at Rosie with compassion and said,
"Rosie, you made a mistake by taking those flowers. The garden is home to many creatures, and the flowers are their source of food and shelter. By taking them, you disrupted the delicate balance of nature."
Rosie's ears drooped as she realized the impact of her actions. She felt regretful and expressed her sincere apologies to Oliver. The wise owl smiled kindly and said, "Rosie, it's never too late to make things right. Return the flowers to the garden and learn from this experience." Determined to correct her mistake, Rosie hurried back to the flower garden. She gently placed each flower back where it belonged, hoping to restore the balance she had disrupted. As she did, a gentle breeze rustled through the leaves, and the flowers seemed to whisper their gratitude. From that day forward, Rosie understood the importance of respecting nature and the consequences of her actions. She became an advocate for preserving the environment and spreading awareness among her animal friends. Whenever she felt the urge to take or disturb something, she would remember the flower garden and make a wiser choice. The forest animals admired Rosie's transformation and joined her in protecting their home. Together, they created a harmonious environment where every creature, big and small, could live in peace. And so, dear children, the story of Rosie the rabbit teaches us the valuable lesson of respecting nature. It reminds us to think before we act, to consider the consequences of our actions,